This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm in Flagstaff, Arizona, outside DIYer Jeff Seff's house. Now, he says when he finds inspiration for his next project, he runs straight to the workshop to see what turns up. So let's go crash his craft room and find out what Jeff is making today.
Hi, Jane.
Hey, Jeff, where's your craft room?
It's a Quonset hut out back.
Oh my gosh, look at the Quonset. This is so cool. And the mountain peaks are even cooler. It looks like an airplane hangar. What exactly is a Quonset hut?
It's a metal building. It's made of galvanized steel. And a lot of people use them for farm equipment, storage, hay storage. It makes me feel like I'm working outside, like I'm not even in a building. It's my refuge.
And you're a woodworker.
I'm a nurse by day.
Okay.
And woodworking is my hobby, my craft. If I hear a chainsaw in the neighborhood running, I go over there and see what's going on and take their scraps away for them.
What's this?
That is mesquite.
Look at how pretty it is.
That turns into this after I use that big chainsaw over there to cut the wood up.
And then it goes into
Then it goes onto the lathe where I turn it round. I inherited my dad's lathe that sat in our basement for years and years and years.
You have a newer version of the lathe, I'm kidding.
I do.
So this is a lathe.
Yeah. I really believe that anybody is capable of learning how to use the lathe. So it's
Dangerous?
something, yes, it's something that you have to be careful with.
Okay, well, you'll do the work. I'm gonna do the washing.
Okay.
What are we making today?
How about a wine glass?
Okay, Jeff, so it takes a lot of work to get to this point with a piece of wood, and this is called a...
Blank. The blank is just a square piece of wood that will be chucked into the lathe and turned to a round cylinder.
I mean, there's really no goofing around. This is some serious stuff. Ah! Wow. What I notice is if I keep my mouth open, those things hit me in the face.
And then we turn whatever shape we want. We need to drill a hole to accept the stem.
Okay.
How does mesquite taste?
It tastes good.
So how thick a base do you want on it?
I would like the base to be 3 millimeters, please. I don't know. Wow.
So now I'm happy with the way it's starting to look. So we're gonna take and hollow this out to accept the cup.
Oh, I see, and you have to make it snug in there.
How do you want to design this? Do you want that to come up tight? Do you want that to be a bead? A little bead that rolls around?
Oh, yeah.
Or do you want this to die right into the glass?
Die into the glass. I don't know, you design it.
You want to design it differently,
or? What about little grooves?
You want to do it?
No? Well.
You can do it.
Okay, I'll do it. How do I do this?
Push in on it. Okay, what you're going to do.
Go for it. Yeah. Okay.
You happy with it?
I think this is the most amazing tool, and look what you've done. So we're gonna put a piece of sandpaper on here and let it go. Oh, nice, short, even strokes. Boy, that's beautiful. And then this is where we're gonna use the scalpel to cut it, Doctor?
Yes, the scalpel. That's the technical term in wood turning.
Big finale. It's like sawing a loaf of bread that's 17 days old. Can you believe this was this big?
Yeah.
I gotta take these off.
And then glue both parts together.
I love a good glue. Oh, you're gonna put all that pressure on there? Then you gotta wipe it up.
Somebody gets to clean up the mess.
That's you.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, that is wood turning. This is mesquite wood. Do you know what kind of wood movie stars use when they turn wood?
No.
Hollywood.
Okay.
Jeff, thanks for having me in your Quonset.
You're welcome.
Did I do okay to come back?
You did fantastic.
You did just fine, Jane.
Yes, you did.
Thanks so much. All right, thanks so much to Jeff. Now we all know how to make a wooden stemmed wine glass, and that is what Jeff is making in his craft room. What are you making in your craft room? I'll see you next time. Okay, I need 6 more.
I'll get right on it.
Thank you. As you should. Oh, hey, don't forget, happiness is handmade because there's really no mistakes in woodworking until you run out of wood. That would be a mistake, right?
That would be a mistake.
You have no wood to turn.
That would be a huge mistake.
How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck chucked his wood?
A lot of wood.